Good morning, everyone. My name is Javier Ferrier. I'm CEO and co-founder of witrac, the new way to do track and trace for industry for door zero. I'm not sure if any one of you has tried to buy a car recently, but it happens always the same problem for the same industries. Every customer wants to buy something cheaper and faster. We hate avoid things, but the real problem for the supply chains in the industries, and even happens in automotive sectors, that they have lack of visibility and lack of control of their critical assets. They can afford to put a GPS in every critical assets in their warehouses manufacturing things. But that's why we are here. We created a few years ago a huge and unique GPS machine learning that is really, really powerful, that works inside areas and also outside, by creating the data that wasn't possible for the clients. And after that, we developed the AI platform in order to optimize the real supply chain values, not only manufacturing and warehouses, in the whole supply chain. Thanks to that, in a few times, we have reached great metrics in terms of sales, more than 1.5. We have a pipeline for the next years of 20 million, and we are tracking this month more than 6 million of critical assets a month and growing really fast. Last year, we were one of the top Spanish startups selected by Lexington, and we are in 15 countries, in 250 plants, yes, in a few time. We have witrac lovers. As you can see here, our companies are huge corporates. Ford Motor Company, Volkswagen Group, even Nissan, we are dealing with them to enter because we are tracking in their Spanish plants, Johnson Control, Adient, and we have also other great lovers like SAP, IBM. We are dealing also with Accenture because they sell our technology to their clients. It's a really honor for us to work for them. But why we are unique? Because first, our sensors are machine learning sensors that track indoor and outdoor with a great autonomy, more than 10 years, without recharging their battery or with autonomous behavior. This is only the sensor, and then the platform that optimized. To our clients, we achieved 20 million of savings in only 6 months. Imagine how we're happy in order to continue buying our thing. Our business model is quite simple. We sell sensors, and with our platform, 15K yearly and increasing, only for the first sale. Then we do a lot of upselling and cross-selling for every client because they save a lot of money. Our TAM is huge in terms of Industry 4.0 or industrial Internet of Things, but we are really focused in automotive sector in Europe and in the States for the next year. So we are expecting in less than 4 years to have 100 million of revenue, to be opening not only automotive supply chains, also other sectors. Our team is only 20 people to do this, but we are growing so high and great mentors from the typical corporate, SAP and IBM, but also from Google, Yahoo, Facebook, and other startups, thanks to Impact Accelerator and other programs. Our needs a Series A company investments between 3-4 million to growth and increase a bit the structure and develop more products to double the number of huge clients that we have, to be referenced in Europe that we are really well positioned, and to increase our presence in the States, and to continue growing for the next 18 months more than 8 million of revenue. Just to recap, wireless total tracking for industry with great traction, with great witrac lovers at huge corporates in a Series A to growth. Thank you very much, and it will be a pleasure to continue talking later. Bye-bye.